Okay, so what is up everyone, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. MIUI Razer Edition by Razer team. The latest stable version is here, which is available for the Redmi Note 8 users, which is based on Android version 10. It's just based on the latest EU, which is MIUI 12.0.3.0 stable version. It's not the beta version, it is the stable version and is the modded ROM. This is not a ported ROM. So yes, all the latest and interesting things are working perfectly fine. Added pill and all the main things which are required in a Razer mode. Yes, this is great, you should definitely give it a try. This ROM has all the interesting things which I'm gonna share with you in this video. Let me share with you by going into settings, and as I previously told you, this is the latest MIUI Razer Edition by Razer team, which includes always on display, which includes the 90 FPS, a lot more things. Let me share with you first of all by going into this. As I previously told you, it has the official support option. You can simply head over to Telegram by just clicking here, so you'll be welcome to the Razer Edition Telegram official group. You'll be able to enter there and ask your queries if you have any. Let me share with you other things. Yes, as you can see, always on display. This is one of the main highlights of this custom ROM. As okay, we have just enabled it, and let me share with you. Yes, as you can see, it's perfectly working fine. You can simply enable the latest always on display on your device, which is working perfectly fine. This is quite great. As you can see, this is how you'll get the notification if you have enabled your AOD or always on display on your device. This is great, this is quite great. This is always on display, which we have enabled just right now, and including that we have other cool and interesting features options available here too. This is not based on MIUI 12.5, so no features from MIUI 12.5, but some features are still added. Brightness level, reading mode, etc. And yes, as you can see, refresh rate 60 Hz, 90 Hz. And if you don't know how you can enable that, that's very easy. I have a dedicated video on this one, that how you can enable the always on display or enable these advanced options very easily. I have a dedicated video on that. Make sure to check out that one, so you will not see any kind of issues. Dark mode etc, it is not actually dark mode 3.0, because that's you get in only MIUI 12.5. Text size, font weight, all those features which were expected are available. Control center and notification shade, and as I previously told you, it's MIUI 12, so don't expect some things or some layout same like MIUI 12.5. The control center is finally back with the red accent color, which is one of the main things in Razer-ED which were previously missing from some latest updates, but now this update is here, which is just great. It is just great here. Home launcher is also changed, which is updated, and let me share with you some things. Home screen layout has some interesting things, 4x6 to up to 6x7, and also arrange items in recent. These options you didn't get in the MIUI 12 normal stable update, but in this latest Razer stable you get this. 1.9 GB or 4 GB RAM available is not a bad thing, so this is also interesting thing. Let me share with you other things about this build which you get here. If you go for the theme store, it has a Chinese theme store, and if you go for the my account, we have many kind of things options available. Always on option is available here too. It also includes a one pre-installed theme which is Origin style, which is just looking great, as you can see. Just go back here, we have another fonts option available. Approximately 9 fonts are available, and Proxima Soft is one of my favorite fonts which I always apply on my device. You can also apply it on your device if you are looking for it. Moving on to other things, if you go here, we have additional settings and date and time, etc. But if you go for the full screen display, we have the full screen indicator. By default, you don't get this full screen indicator on your device in stable update for the Redmi Note 8 users, but now in this update we have this. So this is pill option is available here too. Floating windows options is available. Always on display, 90 Hz, 90 FPS, PUBG, the latest MIUI 12.5 boot animation, a lot more things, and this is just great. It also has the latest gamer dynamic wallpapers, and yes, this one is great one, which is the latest gamer dynamic wallpaper, and also has the gamer static wallpapers. Approximately 7 to 6 wallpapers are already available. A lot more things and same Razer-ED things are available. These are some great kind of things which you should definitely give it a try. Installation is kind of the same. You just need to install the zip file and you're good to go. Let me share with you one more thing. If you go for the Play Store and if I go for the settings options, and as you can see, device is certified, which means I will not have any kind of issues in certifying my device, or which means I'll be able to use the banking apps. But let me share with you the safety net status so that you'll get a better idea with this. If I go for the run test, and as you can see here, GM1917 is passed. GM1917, which means my device PUBG 90 FPS is unlocked. If you play PUBG, you'll see 90 FPS is unlocked for your device. A lot more things which were expected and now finally available in this latest Razer edition. The basic features are perfectly working fine, camera is perfectly working fine, no issues in anything. This is one of the stablest ever builds for your device. If you're looking for it, you can give it a try. This is all from this short and simple video, and this one's the latest MIUI Razer, which you should definitely give it a try. This is all from this video. Thanks for watching. As always, don't forget to like and share. Goodbye.